Thank you. Hello class.
Hello.
So today we are going to have really fun lesson because I know you like to watch video and I have prepared a video for you and then you can guess what we are going to learn today. Okay.
What grade are we?
11
Okay.
in China.
They don't have YouTube in China.
In Macau. Macau.
Ugh, I remember that.
That's the guy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do you make this, Connie?
I haven't been to Australia.
Awesome.
Where are the exercises?
They do this.
Yes,
All they do is
I
stare.
exercise like doing this and then really? Yeah. In elementary school. We don't do it in high school.
Chinese schools do this. No worries. Nine, 10.
8. 6. Okay, I'm so early.
Really?
I said you have so
In China, you go to school till like 10 or like 9.
They have night tutoring after school. So you end school like around 5 o'clock. You will have a break and then you will have after school tutoring. It's so nice. Go home that early.
Yeah. Same with Finland. Best education system in the world. They don't have one. Yeah, I really don't have one in Finland. But their education system is like the best.
Very good. So class, what is your ideal classroom setting or what is the classroom you want it to be?
No class.
No class, no homework, and any a lot of breaks. Yeah, and food.
Recess.
Sounds so nice. But like, let's see. Okay, as you can tell, you are in Macau, China, and your English proficiency is like high intermediate. Yeah, just let you know. And as you can tell that the classroom in Macau or in China is so different to what we just watched from the video. It's in Australia, but today we are going to talk about like the difference in Chinese classroom culture and in American classroom culture. And this is the poster for our learning outcomes. Can someone read it for me? Thank you.
Students can identify at least 3 differences between Chinese schooling culture and American schooling culture. Students can analyze and express what they learn and discuss it in the group.
Yes, very good. So we are going to have a group later because I like to talk a lot and express your feelings. And we will have a group later. But before that, I am going to show you the difference between Chinese and American classroom culture and
Australian.
yeah, or Australian, just generally Western culture. Yeah, and at the end of the paper that I gave you, we have a worksheet, and you will need to use it and fill it out. So, can anyone tell me that? Don't read it now. Before that, I have some question for you. From the video, what have you observed that the difference between Chinese or American or Australian culture?
One is going home time is different.
Yeah.
Western schools, what, end at like 2:30? Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm pretty sure Chinese school ends at 6 or 7.
It depends.
It's horrible.
Anything else?
Like China has a longer lunch break.
Mm-hmm.
And they have eye exercises.
Which one of those are the five exercises?
It's so Yes.
I think they have so much homework in China, right?
So
What exactly are five exercises?
So like after your lunch, you will like you need to do exercise like this just to massage your eyes because you study so hard all the morning. You need to do some massage and then something like that, and then you take a nap. Yeah, and then you will go on your
basically everything's organized the whole day.
yeah.
You have to conform to it. And how much, like when to eat stuff.
Anything?
Oh yeah, too much homework, yeah. I think you got everything.
Very good. So it's pretty much what we learned from the video, and then we have like the handout I gave you. So the main difference between like American classroom culture and Chinese classroom culture is not only about the time and homework. Their educational system are totally different. For example, like in your readings, we will learn a lot. I don't really remember, sorry.
Don't mess up, you'll get a bad grade.
Okay, for example, like the relationship between the student and teachers are different. And also, like the participation, like usually in the classroom, students don't often ask questions, so you always listen to me, that's good. But when you have questions that you can raise your hand and ask, and in Western culture, they often ask questions during the classroom, and they do a lot of group discussion, and today we are going to try it out. So if you have any question, you can ask me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. And also for one of the difference is the exam in China and also in Western are also different. In China, you know, we always memorize a lot of things, information, because that's why we have so many homework. And I know you don't like it, so today we will have another way to learn it. And I am going to give you another handout.
That Chinese education's like values memorization. Like so much.
They value the amount of knowledge that you can remember, but not to understand or to apply it. They value how many you can remember.
That's so true.
Mhm.
That's so true.
So here, you will be in the group of Chinese, YouTube, oh, no, American, sorry, and you.
Yes.
And I will give you like around 8 to 10 minutes to go through like the difference between these two different cultures and also the article I gave you about what is the culture is like in China or America.
So our Chinese topics supposed to team up? Might as well.
You will read it first and then I will
Okay.
team you. Oh, I forgot to say it. Oh, I can say it now. So, after reading, I will put you into different groups to discuss it, and then you'll go back to your original group to discuss what you learned from the second group, okay?
Okay. Dry says long.
So you can highlight the things that you don't know or is special to you, and then you can use the worksheet that I gave you earlier.
Oh my gosh. Eastern, Western. So true. I think that's how they differentiate. I love this lesson. Where do you find it?
Online, you just have the difference between Chinese classroom and American classroom.
Social studies?
Hmm.
What is this?
This is a reading class, English
Oh.
reading class.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. This is English.
yeah, because we don't read in English, the set is English class.
I love this. This is great. Everyone can know how much we suffered.
Yes. Such a pity.
大概剩8分钟吧，我觉得。
Very good. So now I will put you into different groups. And Tana and Krista? I'm sorry, Catherine.
Hey, Krista, come
Switch.
here, Krista.
No, you switch seats.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, you
Chris.
switch partner, okay? Oh, sorry.
Chinese.
And discuss about what you learned. And then you are going to teach your original partner.
You got Chinese, right? Okay. Go.
The Chinese students they have a hard time
Teacher, I expected, teacher expected from the student to ask question and answer Chinese.
Super big. I had to do that. When I moved to the States, so hard. Keep going.
So why not you talk about what you learned, and then I will put you back into your original group and teach them what you learned from each other.
The way of thinking.
And also, I learned that if you say that you need to follow the teacher,
and also just
there's no excuse for learning.
those are the things that the Chinese students
They've never asked questions because in Chinese culture, it's like you don't ask questions. The teacher is supreme doctrine creator, you know, right?
If you question them, that is not respectful.
Yeah.
So you don't question them. So you don't ask questions.
Oh, I hate that so much.
You like to ask questions.
Yeah, because I think teachers are stupid. They're so stupid.
Yeah.
Okay. What I found is that finding balance. What have the students finding basic and heavy work once they spend extra time reading text? Okay, so Chinese students go to American classrooms. Pressure is gone because American classrooms don't have that much pressure. Chinese do, so they're all used to so much pressure and they're just tempted to listen. American classrooms no pressure at all. It's like, oh, do this, you know. Oh, that's a big difference. Like she said, Chinese is how much knowledge you can hold in your knowledge bank is how good of a person you are, pretty much. Americans like how well you use the knowledge and apply it is how good of a worker you are.
Very good. Seems like you have a very good sharing time. So now I need you to go back to your original group and share with your partner that what you learned from the reading and from your partner, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Chris,
Yeah. Catherine.
this big guy.
It starts with K, okay?
See?
I mean the K sound.
You done a few
Okay.
points. You done a few points from your video.
Okay. Okay. Share what you learned from your partner.
Josh Edwards. Alright, so one big thing is that during the classroom, in American schools, we ask questions, right? We're like, right, so Chinese culture, if you question the teacher is placed as supreme knowledge base. Everything they say is just not knowledge. If you question it, you're not respectful. So we don't do any questions in Chinese education. It's horrible.
Oh, okay.
I'll be in international schools, which are mainly based on like American style. So I think it's more super, it's more super, what do you call that? More, yes, it's more supreme way of thinking. Just, I think it comes from the Constitution. Anyway, that's one big thing.
Another difference
For me,
is
one thing that talking to her, even though she's
the
American,
way
one thing that like I didn't know that like other schools don't rather like particularly schools is like you have to turn in homework. Did you have like there's no excuse not to turn in homework?
the Chinese student they
Like where she was like
transfer
you know,
because
she
it's
didn't turn in homework. She was like teacher was like embarrassing, but
like
like
a rule for
she's like weird to me because
government
of
so
her like turn in homework like
You're great.
I got detention a lot for not turning in homework.
American students they
So they just embarrass you. That's the
Where she's doing the major, I think. Yeah.
really.
Yeah, which I thought was cute.
He's Asian.
expectations.
We do that. We do that in Asian educational system.
You mean to embarrass them?
Yeah, I mean,
What if the teacher is mean? They might.
gosh.
But and even though they may get a bad grade, like, why you are so stupid?
Yeah.
Oh
And
yeah.
they say things like that. Why are you so stupid? Why are you so lazy?
Yeah, seriously. Right in front of your face.
That's
and you're
why
afraid.
you have to self-esteem.
Yeah, that's
So
I think
bad.
that's the problem why we don't talk here where the teacher asks questions.
Yeah,
Because
because
that's very true, like
we learned not to make mistakes.
yes.
See, I love your lesson because we have all this rage coming out. We're like,
Oh,
yes.
I just have this idea like after devotion of like,
Then you
And
start-
also one more thing,
Oh my God.
I like how American culture they have the homework gives scores, yeah. It goes to your credit, they give credit. But for us homework is nothing.
yeah. But if you don't do it, you are in trouble.
Yes.
It's like a social outcast punishment instead of a grade punishment.
Okay, so what you learned from the reading?
What did I make?
Wait, yeah.
What you learned from the reading?
Yeah.
No excuse for homework.
Performance is
And excuse for homework. And American culture you must not absent for tests. Need to be on time. If you're not on
You're
time,
not
you're rude.
You don't question, okay?
In American culture, the teacher wants the student to ask question and answer.
Okay, are you guys all ready?
Yep.
I said guys, but I just said it. Okay, very good. So after your group discussion and the reading, what have you found that is different between Chinese classroom culture and American classroom culture?
You're allowed to talk and interact a lot more in American schools.
Interact.
The student don't feel pressure.
We value American schools values individuality, right? Identity. And Chinese culture is conformist value.
Very good. Anything else?
No excuse
No excuse for.
for not coming to class.
But Chinese school student don't ask questions to teacher. Where in American school, teacher expected student to ask and answer.
Okay. So compare this to what we watched from the video. Do you think that there are a more depth difference between these two cultures? And do you think you can adapt or make a change when you go to another culture and study?
I think we can. But it goes through that whole you'll probably struggle a lot at first adapting, and then when you can think like the other culture, it'll be easy.
Okay, very good.
Wait, we're Chinese students, right?
Yes,
We're
we're Chinese students.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to talk.
Hey, you guys, let me interrupt just for a second. At 5:30, don't forget, I'm gonna talk to whoever wants to meet over in the classroom at 5:30
Okay.
about the next classroom discussion model.
Okay. Thank you. Very good. So this pretty much what we learned today, and it also meet our outcomes because you understand and you can identify at least 3 differences. It is really good. And our homework is that you are going to make a film or video to talk about the differences next class. It's going to be very fun. So I want you to go home and think about the ideas and anything about it, and we will discuss it more about it later. I mean next class. Good?
Good.
Good. Thank you. Thank you. How can I turn this off?
Nice. I was actually involved.
Thank you.
谢谢 Connie